Alright guys, been running into this problem lately. My mobile data is not working. Just show you how to fix this. I'm using Pure Talk Wireless, so if it's on mobile data, hit airplane mode and then just click it on and off. Alright, if that doesn't work, then click on your wireless data provider or whatever. Click on that, it'll bring this screen up. This is for Android. Click on Mobile Talk. Go down to preferred network type, switch over to 3G, and then switch it back to LTE. Go back to the settings there, and it fixes it for me. So here we are, we got back with LTE. So if switching it from airplane mode to back and forth a couple times doesn't work, just you follow those steps to get to just switch to the 3G, and then just switch it back to the preferred, and that fixes that problem for me, because a lot of times my mobile data goes out and it just says emergency calls only. It won't get any mobile data at all or anything like that. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.